Salvete omnes. Welcome to the Aeneid, Book 1. Haec ubi dicta, cavum conversa cuspide montem, impulit in latus, aquenti velut augmene facto, quadata porta, gruunt et terras turbine feflant, incubere mari totum quod sedibus illis, una iorusque notusque ruunt creberque procelis, Africus, et vastros volunt ad littora fluctus. When these words were said, he pushed the hollow mountain onto its side with his spear having been turned, and the winds, as if with a battle line having been made, or as if with a column having been made, where the gates were given, where the gates were opened, they rushed and they swept over the lands in a whirlwind. They lay upon the sea, and altogether both Eurus and Notus and Africus, crowded with storms, rushed over the entire sea. Supply mare here to go totem. They all rushed over the entire sea from the deepest seats, from the deepest depths, deepest foundations. And they roll vast waves towards the shores. So this section is detailing how Aeolus, after giving his speech, has released the winds to go and create a storm for Aeneas. So the winds here, we have a lot of polysyndeton, quay, 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 3 quays in one line. This is probably meant to point out how much the winds are doing, how chaotic it's going to be, so much is happening, this wind, that wind, that wind. These are the names of specific winds, which denote specific directions, Eurus, Notus, Africus. Like, for example, Africus would be the southwest wind. Now they've come from the deepest seats. Up here, with a column having been made, is an ablative absolute. Venti, the winds, are our subject. Conversa cuspide, this is another ablative absolute, with his spear having been turned.